Okay guys, so I wanted to tell you about the three things that most people don't figure out before building their own app, and it really difficults the whole process. So these three things are the three types of apps that exist, and you should know the type of app that you have because it will determine the way that you will sell that app. So the first type of app is the painkiller. Painkillers, they solve a specific problem or they eliminate a specific pain. And they're pretty much easiest to sell. Most of content creators will recommend you to build a painkiller, which is a very niched, focused app that solves one problem and does it very well. It has limited scalability because it's really specific, it's really niched down, but they are the easiest to sell. That's why most people recommend them. The downside is that if you are passionate about building apps, if you are passionate about web design, usually these types of apps are really boring. The examples are business software, screen blockers, really niche apps, really that are focused on one problem. Then you have vitamins, so they don't solve a very painful burning problem, but they add value. They help the user to achieve a goal. They provide a specific function that adds to their life rather than to remove a problem. They usually require more effort and skill to convert because it's not really a burning problem. People are willing to try these apps, but they are not willing to pay for them so easily. But they are more fun to build. The examples are Notion, any social media app, Google would fall under this. And the app that I built myself, which is skillflow, which is basically like Notion, but it has visual canvases like this one. Actually, the presentation you are seeing is made on skillflow. If you are willing to try it, the link is in the description. And the third type is Candy. So they entertain, they don't provide value, they're just for fun. They provide the biggest freedom and are most fun to build for creative people, but they are hardest to sell. So you need to have a very strong edge, really have your marketing dialed in as well. But they have a great scalability because they are fun. If you have a great idea, these types of apps they can really pop off. The examples are pretty much any game out there. Clash Royale, Angry Birds, any game. So as I said, the app that I built would fall under the vitamin category. So it helps you build an app, it helps you to manage projects, but it won't really solve an urgent problem for you. Either way, you should try it if you're into building apps, and it will help you structure the whole thing. For example, figuring out what type of app you are building right now. So yeah guys, the link is in the description. I hope you'll build great stuff.